We're fixing my laptop, and now we in stage of cleaning the keyboard in a sink with cheap Estonian vodka. That's not happening. That's not fucking happening.
That is crazy.
Yeah. This is sick, man.
I feel like some geek.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. This is actually geeky.
Yeah.
We're using alcohol to clean a keyboard. Instead of drinking it like normal students, we're actually pouring on the computer. This is not normal.
It's quite oily.
It is. It is. What do you think, Doctor? Will it survive?
Hope so. Well, we have that punch number, so we can buy another one.
Purchase another one, yeah, actually we can. I would like to avoid that, because then all that work would go for fuck.
Well, at least memories will remain.
Yeah, at least we know how to clean the keyboard with vodka. If we will ever need a skill of cleaning keyboard with vodka.
We may sell our knowledge.
Yeah.
Try.
Okay. I still don't know if it works.
Me neither, but
I've got an idea of actually pouring a little bit there, so it goes on there and cleans the
vodka
stuff.
or water?
Vodka first to dilute the oil. That will be freaky.
This is crazy.
Normal people don't do this.
No.
That actually might work.
Maybe another way. Just under enter.
Gently! It's not a fucking break, man! Jesus. That worked good.
Yeah, maybe that's it. I'm just drying it and
I would wash it first.
yeah, okay. So wish me luck.
It's just keyboard. It's just pieces of plastic.
Yeah, with some electricity inside, not now, but then.
Then we'll dry it. It's like mobile phone dropped into water.
Yeah,
If you will
yeah.
switch it off and put it on a radiator,
Yeah.
it works.
This is crazy.
This is actually crazy.
I've never done this before. Yeah, that sink in kitchen would be better.
You can use shower. Have you ever washed keyboard on the shower?
No.
That might be the only opportunity in your life.
No.
Oh yeah, the big, yeah.
Oh god.
Now we doom. If that doesn't work, we are off. But I am. I've got a hole in front of my laptop, which that actually should go. Oh. Does it smell of vodka?
No.
It shouldn't. Right.
Good.
The other part.